Now, students, today we will be revising two chapters again. One is tables and shares, and the other is chunk seller. We will begin with tables and shares. So, as you know, tables means multiplication and shares means division. Let us begin today's first sum. These are all word problems that we are going to do. Now, suppose you have been told that there are 12 boxes of oranges. There are 12 boxes of oranges. Now we move to the next board. Each box has 60 oranges. There are 12 boxes of oranges and each box has 60 oranges. You have to find total number of oranges you have to find total number of oranges in 12 such boxes. Let me read out the question once again to you from the first board. See that there are 12 boxes of oranges. Now coming to the next board, each box has 60 oranges. Find total number of oranges in 12 such boxes. So basically you understood that this is a multiplication based sum and you have to multiply. First, this is here you have to use unitary method of multiplication. We'll begin our solution. Number of oranges in each box. So number of oranges in each box is 60. Number of oranges in each box is 60. Next you write number of boxes. Here number of boxes is 12. Then you will write number of oranges in 12 boxes. Number of oranges in 12 boxes, this will be given by 12 multiplied by 60. Now when you multiply them, coming to the next board, you will get the answer 720. We will get the answer 720. Let us do the calculation over here. Suppose here we have 12 and we are multiplying it by 60. You can very easily put the 0 over here, multiply the rest of the two numbers 12 and 6 and get 72. 6 12 is 12, 1. So we get that there are 720 oranges in 12 such boxes. We'll write our answer as there are 720 oranges in 12 such boxes. Now let us just recapitulate what we learned in this today's first sum. See that the question was there are 12 boxes of oranges. Coming to the next board, we see each box has 60 oranges. You have to find total number of oranges in 12 such boxes. So the solution will come like this. Number of oranges in each box is equals to 60 and number of boxes is equals to 12. So number of oranges in 12 boxes is equals to 12 multiplied by 60. We'll get that. Finally we'll get 720 as the answer and this will be your answer. So there are 720 oranges in 12 such boxes. So this will be the end of our first question. Coming to our next topic, we'll move to our next board. Now, our next topic is junk seller. Students, let us just clear a few of our basics. You see that there are a few terms. The price at we buy anything is called cost price. So, cost price is the price at which, this is not a definition, this is a general explanation. Cost price is the price at which we buy, or we can say purchase, anything. Similarly, selling price is the price at which we sell anything. So it is a price at which we sell anything. It's called selling price. Now, the formulas, or the how and what are the formulas that we are using here, if we come to that. So suppose if cost price is greater than selling price, we get loss, and the loss is calculated as cost price minus selling price. Similarly, if selling price is greater than cost price, then we get profit, and it is calculated as selling price minus cost price. These two parts are done. Coming to the next board. In this board, what we are going to look out is, here a few more terms we are going to see. Suppose loan. So it is the sum borrowed from bank. It is only an explanation, not a formal definition, or any person. Okay. And there are a few things that we are also solving, that is called amount equals to principal plus interest. Actually, principal is the amount of loan, interest is the extra money that we are paying, and amount is the money that we are paying together with the loan amount and extra money called the interest. Suppose my principal is rupees 5,000 and I am paying interest rupees 1,000. So the amount I am paying is given by sum of principal plus interest, which comes out to be sum of 5,000 and 1,000. Now this gives us rupees 6,000. So very clearly you can see that the amount is rupees 6,000. Now coming to our sum, the second sum of our day. Suppose now, please listen carefully, that sometimes it happens that we buy a thing and pay for installation or transportation or for any software charges. So that should also be included in the cost to make it the cost price. I am saying about that. Minisha bought a television for rupees 30,000, comma, paid rupees 500 as charges of transportation. Transportation means carrying cost and installation. She sold the TV within a month. She did not like it and sold it for rupees 26,000. Find her loss. So let me read out the question once again clearly. So Minisha bought a TV for rupees 30,000, paid rupees 500 as charges of transportation and installation. She sold the TV within a month for rupees 26,000 and find a loss. So first of all, we'll find out the cost price. So begin our solution. Cost of the TV. This is rupees 30,000. Then we'll write charges paid equals to rupees 500. So she has bought the TV for rupees 30,000, paid charges for rupees 500. Now we can write CP of the TV. Now the CP of the TV is rupees 30,000 plus 500. You add it, you get rupees 30,500. You have got the answer. This is the cost price of the TV. Moving to the next board, selling price of the TV equals to rupees 26,000. Now in order to find a loss, what you need to do, you will write here that the cost price is greater than selling price. So next page we'll we'll start from here. Loss equals to cost price minus selling price. So in this page we have written SP of the TV is equals to rupees 26,000, CP greater than SP, so loss is equals to CP minus SP. Then we'll write rupees 30,500. From here we'll subtract 26,000. So finally we'll get rupees 4,500. This is her loss. In the answer we will write she had a loss of rupees 4,500. So basically you see that she had a loss of rupees 4,500. Let us recapitulate all the things that we learned for this question. Minisha bought a TV for rupees 30,000, paid rupees 500 as charges of transportation and installation. She sold the TV within a month for rupees 26,000. Find her loss. I'm coming to the next board. Cost of the TV is equals to rupees 30,000. Charges paid is equals to rupees 500. So CP of the TV is equals to rupees 30,000 plus 500 is equals to rupees 30,500. Coming to the next board, we'll write SP of the TV is equals to rupees 26,000. CP greater than SP. So loss is equals to CP minus SP. Coming over here, we'll subtract 26,000 from 30,500 and write it as rupees 4,500. Final answer, she had a loss of rupees 4,500. Thank you, students, for listening to me. Thank you.